I'm glad to see
Me glad to see me have something in my purse for you too.
Yeah, something in my purse.
Yes.
But I'm here get it. But I'm here get it for you.
Yeah, sweetie.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
Me a want that.
Feeling cute. Feeling nice. Listen. I do what I do me. Okay. I'm not upon certain vibes. Yeah. Keep it jiggy. How I am rocking from side to side. I'm on my way to St. Thomas from Portland, and the road is super bad. So today is Sunday. What's the date? Maybe the 27th of April, and I'm on my way to see Noel and Cece, and of course Miss Cornwall, and possibly some more of the T-Nation crew. But yes, I'm on bad road, and the journey kind of just started. I'm probably 20 minutes into the journey or so. Yep, but it's Sunday, so it should be a better drive because there will be less traffic on the road. But major road works going on, and most of the journey is like this. So you know what that means. Please like, subscribe, and share. Whoa, yeah. I wanted to go earlier, but so it go. I had to have breakfast, relax. I'm on vacation, guys. Like, when I'm not working, I don't let nobody program me, tell me when to move. If I'm doing something and I can take my time and I don't have to rush, I like to do just so. When it do. Me no want nobody tell me say, you have to do it by that time. You're not ready yet. You're not gone yet. You're not left yet. Me leave when me leave. Like, you ain't paying me. The person who's paying me can say come to work by 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, blah, blah, blah. But otherwise, I'll do it when I do it. So even though I did want to leave earlier, it would have benefited me to leave earlier. It didn't work out that way. See, they cut a new road here. Let me turn the camera. See, there's new road making here. There's a road at the bottom, so they're making a whole new road here. And much of the way, the road to go up there is like this. Their road works, they're widening parts of the road. See somebody working there in the tractor. So this is my second time coming up here since I've been here. So I came to Easter Monday at the beach. Yeah, but this is me, guys, in the Sunday here on my way to St. Thomas. My current situation. Whoop. This looks zoom in, so yeah, no, Mr. Patterson. You arrived now. You know that corner, yeah, man. You know that corner.
I know you block the money.
Lord of mercy, why? Oh my days, I'm here. Rich.
I must get that. That's just smart.
Yes. Jesus. You probably got here, I know. She got to know a lot. She said, who is this? Why? Alright, let's go. Let's see if I have money. Lord of mercy, mercy. Wow, I'm so excited. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh my days. Oh God, the two together. Oh my life. It's Cornwall. Hello. Noel said me come look for you.
Oh,
Noel.
send me.
Send me. Come look for you.
Fire send
I'm
me.
glad me see me schooling too. What happened?
You say which place you
Yeah,
know?
we
Oh
don't
my
mind it.
days.
Alan.
What is name?
Lan.
Fire.
Lan.
Oh,
Lan.
land.
Yes.
Where the house there?
Oh, so Lan.
Leave it behind me.
Where house the land?
Leave
Land,
it.
land. Go check me now.
I want to talk about. You can look for her.
Land.
Man, we got
Where the
church.
house?
You
You
leave it
got,
behind
she
me.
come with you?
Yeah, man, him come.
Fire send
Come.
me.
Young
Me
man.
not see Merle, me see Noel.
We have
Noel.
big son,
Go
grandson,
my
you know.
yard a cook.
How?
I cook.
A
Come
cook
in love
dinner.
people picnic.
Then I have to
Come
send me
in
that
young
cook.
girl.
Cici a
We
cook.
love.
Yeah.
Cici a cooking wife.
I wife I cook.
Yeah, so you not come a wedding.
Me can't go, me can't walk to go away.
Then I could have lift you up.
Then I care my brother. Come here with a Matthew.
Lord of mercy, me so glad to see you.
So glad to see
Me
me.
glad to see you. Me have something in my purse for you too.
You have something like person.
Yeah.
But I'm here get it. But I'm here get for you.
Yeah, sweetie.
Sweetie.
Yeah.
Me don't want you.
Me so happy to see
Me don't want
you.
no sweetie.
Lord of mercy.
You put on sweetie in that person.
Yes.
Yeah.
You nice, sweetie?
Sweetie. Me don't know. What your name?
Devi.
What your name?
Devi.
Debbie.
Cici.
Devi. Devi.
Debbie.
Yes. A CC daughter, Noel wife daughter. Are that good years? Are good years?
Noel wife.
Make sure you
daughter.
hold the phone up.
Come
Yeah, are
here,
the good
come
years
here.
this?
Come here again. Come here again.
Yes, a Noel stepdaughter.
I know that.
Yeah.
I Noel wife mother, Noel wife picnic.
Yeah.
No, you damn black and the white.
I say, well, you know.
Oh man, me watch her.
Then wait. No, send no come. I know say enough to send food for me.
The food not done.
But I eat rice, brother.
So where you dinner?
Enough to send macaroni.
You eat dinner already?
And
What time now?
What's that time?
Make me watch the for England time. England may I come from?
England?
Yes.
What? How did I
3:14.
come from England?
Me got a wedding.
Who for wedding?
Me got Noel wedding.
You come at the wedding?
Yes.
What a
I was a bridesmaid.
What a bashman's wedding.
Yeah, you see it?
Me don't see it.
Me say me a the bridesmaid.
You
that
are the
pre-
bridesmaid?
Yes.
Of course. What a nice wedding.
Oh, you know it nice.
The nice car.
Oh,
The mother and daddy wedding.
yes.
I'm say hand.
What are we did there?
What are
He
you?
my best man.
Eh?
No best man, he my groomsman. The cameraman.
I by the camera
He my the groomsman.
backside.
One of them.
Bash went wedding.
Yes. The hungry person missing are you.
Eh?
A hungry you did missing.
Me don't know. The bench I got it with a bash man.
Whoa, you da dance. You're ranking. You're ranking with a dance.
Yeah, dancer.
You're ranking. You don't can sit down and dance.
Yes, I Yes, I
Me know.
Oh, when you're dancing.
Me see her dance out of Dalvey. What day?
Yes, me see one, but two. What me tell you something?
Me on the phone, me see her dance.
Yes, the 246.
Can't dance, you know.
Me see her. Me see her. No wonder you're sight a mother for true.
Yes, sir. She a dancer, you know.
Yes, you're a dancer too.
No, sir.
No, sir, no dancer.
So me say if you have dinner already.
Eh?
If Merle carry your dinner yet.
We
No,
got church.
church.
We got church.
Yeah.
So my gang run gang cook and yard.
Oh.
You know, come here yet.
Oh, so you did eat breakfast?
Eh?
You did eat breakfast?
Yeah, man.
This man.
What you get for breakfast today?
That one I didn't give me.
That not enough. You're not most hungry
Hey,
now.
that-
Take that bread and tea. Me
I
and
look
there.
at TV.
She
You know
soon
what I'm doing
come.
now?
She soon come. What you eat today?
No, I cook at home. Say, too much time, too much hard food.
Mm-hmm.
I go cook chore.
You let me tell you something. If me foot them sick,
I can't eat rice and some I can't.
me a dancer.
So how you reach a church?
The pastor carry.
Come to me.
Why?
And the pastor carry me a church.
Yes.
And the pastor carry me home back.
Yes.
Now I'm schooling.
Okay. You take off your church frock.
Huh?
Yeah.
You take off your church clothes.
Yeah.
What you wear go to church today? Let me
I
see.
wear it.
Oh, the pretty dress then.
I am fight here.
It's nice too.
I
That
am-
one yeah.
I just me wear God.
So me can get it?
Huh?
If me can go away with it? Me can take it? It can't fit me. You sure? Me can try on.
No, me don't want you try. I'm a slip.